How to remove the Peugeot 388T8 front door panel. First, we'll remove the door open handle trim with a plastic tool. Next, there's a little cover where the window switch plate is. Underneath, there'll be a torque screw we'll need to remove. And then I'd suggest using a plastic tool and not a flathead mill screwdriver. And on the sides of this switch plate, there are clips over there. And then this should come out quite easily. Unplug the window switch. Next, to the side of the door panel, there are two torque screws, one to the top and one little bit underneath. Underneath the door panel, there is a courtesy light, and this is how we'll remove this one. From the side, there's an opening, pull it down and then unplug the courtesy light. For this next part, use plastic tools and you'll need to get in between the door and the door panel itself. You don't have to use specialized tools. You can get in with your fingers and pull the bottom out first, as this is only held on by clips on the inside. If you do have a clip remover like this, it makes things much easier. However, keep in mind that these clips on the inside can still break. So you don't need to use a clip remover. Pull the bottom out first and then slide it upwards to detach the door panel. Just how you see in the video. So you can detach it from the window sill by sliding it upwards. And then these clips here are the ones, as you can see, have broken. Make sure these clips are not broken, replace them. And one tip, make sure these clips are on the door panel itself and not on the door. When you're putting it back on, slide in the top first. And then make sure all the plugs and cables are ready in position. Even the bottom courtesy light. And then once this is all ready, because you've put all these clips on the door panel, all you're basically just pushing it on into place like this. If you don't change the clips, it won't be this easy. Put all the screws back on. Put the courtesy light back on, plug it in and put it into position. And then reconnect the plugs for the switch, and then you'll put the switch in place, put the screw back on and then the little cover back on, and then finally you will put the trim around the door handle. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.